Hey everyone, welcome back to Cattaleya English channel. Today we are going to take a closer look at the usage of a fundamental tense, the present simple. This tense might seem simple, however, it's incredibly versatile and plays a crucial role in conveying a wide range of meanings. Let's get started. Let's begin with a common usage of the present simple tense, with adverbs of frequency. These adverbs like always, often, usually, seldom, sometimes, rarely, never, from time to time, every week, as a rule, tell us how often something happens. For instance, I always brush my teeth before bed. We use the present simple here to describe a routine action which happens regularly. And now, think of one action which happens to you on a daily basis and leave it in comments below. The present simple is also used to describe habits, hobbies, traditions, stereotypes, and permanent characteristics. Let's have a look at the examples. She plays the piano every weekend. Here we mention her hobby, and for this reason, we are going to use the present simple tense. He lives in London. It's a permanent characteristic because it's a place where he resides. These sentences describe things that are true generally, not just in a specific situation. For statements that are always true, like scientific facts, we'll also use the present simple. To illustrate, let's consider the examples. The Earth revolves around the Sun. Sodium chloride is the chemical name for salt. All living things are made of cells. The Moon orbits the Earth. These facts are true regardless of place and time. The present simple tense is also used to talk about fixed schedules and timetables. Here we use it for future actions when those actions are part of a fixed schedule or timetable. Take these cases for instance. The train leaves at 5 p.m. The train departure time is set and unchanging. School starts at 8 a.m. This is the regular school schedule. Consider your own example and share it in the comments. Finally, the present simple tense is used in the if clause of conditional sentences of type 1. Type 1 conditionals talk about a possible situation, the if clause, and its likely result, the then clause. The if clause describes a situation that could happen in the future, and the then clause describes a consequence of that situation. Let's learn two simple rules which are going to assist us. Rule number 1. The if clause plus the present simple and the then clause plus the future simple. Rule number 2. If equals after, when, before, as soon as, until, unless. Let's have a look at the example. If it rains, we will stay inside. Let's break down why we use the present simple in the if clause. The if clause describes a possible situation, not a definite one. It's not saying it will rain, but if it rains. The then clause talks about the consequence of this possible situation in the future. We are talking about what will happen. Using the present simple in the if clause gives the sentence a sense of realism. It suggests that the situation described is possible and could realistically happen. And now, I would like to challenge you. Do your best in the following test. So there you have it. The present simple looks basic, however, it has a wide range of applications. Mastering this tense will allow you to express yourself clearly and effectively in many different situations. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Be sure to check our next video, it's awesome! See you soon on the channel!